If you want to learn how to balance perspectives, compositions, and character interactions within a multi-character illustration, take my second class, Road to Artist, Original Character Splash Illustration. Hi, I'm Anand Ramcheronn, and I worked with notable animation and comic book studios such as Sony Pictures Animation, Marvel, and Boom Studios. I work with a focus on conceptualization and color theory. This approach can help boost your creativity and overall designs. I will teach you how to use characterization, design principles, dynamic poses, and storytelling techniques to create original characters full of depth and distinction. You'll also learn balance, focal points, and narrative dynamics for multi-character illustrations. Rendering and inking techniques will help you refine your artwork as you learn how to add more depth and detail into your illustrations. Allow yourself to make bad art and recognize that it's all part of the learning process. I'm Anand Ramcheronn, an illustrator, and I'll be waiting for you at Colosso.